All right. So now it's on the news that the embattled Senator Natasha Akpoti, took her case and matter to the UN. First of all, I even appreciate her, honestly. It's an example. She's just trying to say that, first of all, that, oh, the get child, you can speak for yourself. The get child have a voice. We'll commend her for that. Fine, we'll commend her for that. Now, on the other hand, some parents have started suggesting, and Nigeria Senate should suspend her indefinitely. Why would she take her matter to the UN directly? And let's look at it one after the other. First of all, because of the principle of state sovereignty, you cannot just wake up and take your matter to the UN. No, there's that principle of state sovereignty, in the sense that each state has sovereignty over their own state, in the sense that state A cannot come to state B and legislate upon state B. It's not possible. Stay in your state, remain your state, why remain my state? But again, to every rule, there's always an exception. If what state B is doing is a threat to international peace, international matters, and it's a threat to international peace, state A can intervene. International community will intervene. If what is happening in state B is a threat to international community. However, individuals have right to take matter to UN or other international bodies. But however, before they're able to take the matter to there, Nigeria as a country must be a treaty to that international body, must be a member of that international body. Now, let's look at that of Akpoti as a case study. Now, for you to take a matter to the UN, there are some conditions that need to be met. First of all, the matter must be a matter that borders on human rights, not simple contracts, simple contract, buying and selling between two individuals. No, not that. So it's a matter, it must be a matter that borders on human rights. Human rights must be a matter that borders on human rights. That's the first thing that one need to understand, human rights. Then after that, it's not a matter that is likely to be abuse of court process. No, it must be a matter that has been legislated upon by the local court. You can't just go to the UN and institute the matter newly when you did not institute the matter before in the local court. And again, it should not be a matter that has been legislated upon. That is, it should not be a matter that will be re judicata, a matter that will be legislated upon by the local court. No. So, if all these conditions are met, and this I mentioned some other ones are met, and you feel your right has been, or you are aggrieved, we're talking of human right now, your fundamental human rights have been trampled on, and you have enough right, you can go to UN or other international body of which Nigeria is a party. But however, to every rule there's an exception. Now, if you feel there's your rights have been trampled on and it borders on human rights, and you feel you are not likely to get justice in the local court, you have evidence to prove that you are not likely to get justice in the local court, you can go to the UN direct. I feel that is the window. It's under this window that Senator Natasha is coming in. But however, the question is, there are some things people don't understand. The essence of going to court, the essence of going to any settlement home, settlement house, the essence of meeting any arbitrator, any judge, is for your matter to be resolved, for you to get justice. Now, this action that Senator Natasha has taken, will she get justice? Let's not preempt. Time will tell.